Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters. Confirm the remote mouse software version and OS compatibility, and identify the exact port name shown in the error. Once done, close any programs that might reserve serial or USB ports, like terminal apps, device managers, or other remote tools. Then reboot the device quickly to clear hung drivers. Don't skip this because a stale process often holds the port. Make sure you have admin rights so you can inspect drivers and change settings in the next steps. Now you'll identify what's actually using the port. Run Task Manager on Windows or use lsoft/ps on Mac OS/Linux to list processes tied to that port. Once you spot a culprit, terminate it gracefully. If it responds, disable startup entries. Next, open Device Manager or System Hardware Settings and check for driver conflicts or yellow warnings. If the driver is corrupted or stuck, uninstall and reinstall the driver, or update it to the latest supported version. This clears driver-level locks and explains why the port was blocked. Finally, reassign the port if conflicts remain. Use Device Manager to change the COM port number or configure the remote app to a different virtual port. Once reassigned, restart the remote mouse service and test a connection to confirm functionality. If it still fails, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference, then reinstall the app and drivers there. Troubleshooting tip: if the port reappears as used, check for background daemons or startup services left active. Disable them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.